how to recover Temu account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Temu app on your device. You will be led to the sign in page, so go ahead and tap on the trouble signing in option you see there right below the continue button. You will then be provided with two options, that is, if you registered an account with your email address but forgot your password, then you can reset your password. And the next one is if you forgot your account details, then you can try to find your account by email, mobile phone number, or order ID. In today's video, we will reset our password, so go ahead and tap on the Reset Your Password option. You will then be required to enter your email address, so go ahead and enter your email address and tap on the Submit button. You will then receive an email from Temu with the verification code in the email address you just entered. Go ahead and enter the verification code in the interface, and you will be further required to enter your new password. So go ahead and enter a new password and make sure not to use your password from another site or something too obvious like your pet's name, and tap on the Submit button, and with this, your account will be recovered. So this is how you can recover a Temu account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.